Today we're going to talk about why when you get a brand new seat cover like this one, it's not going to be as shiny as your old one. We're going to show you how to address that. But first, if you find this information helpful, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe for future updates, or hit the alerts for faster notifications. This is a sample of leather here we got. You can see compared to the old leather. This sample came out of a hide that would be used to sew a new cover here like this one. You can see how matte the finish is. So what we want to do is clean this. These oils, these are oils and dirt from your skin and clothing that can build up over time, making the leather actually appear darker and shinier. We like to use the Chamberlain Straight Cleaner. We got a little area taped off down there. We're going to apply some of this to a rag. Work it on the leather, and then using a bristle scrub brush, we're going to work that in for a minute. Take that excess off with the rag. We're going to do that a few more times, and then we'll show you the before and after. And after just a few applications, you can see what kind of dirt that rag or accumulated on that rag just from that section alone. And so we'll show you here, peeling the tape off. And so you can see once you clean it, that new leather is going to match quite a bit because that shine, it will take that shine off. So remember, when you get your new leather seat cover, shine is a bad thing. That's what needs to be cleaned off. So take the time to clean it to get that new leather to match.